Hey, what's up everyone? This is a 2011 4Runner. This is the center console. I think it's called like a gear shifter panel cover or something along those lines. You can see mine's pretty beat up. The damage is done on it, and I wanted to kind of clean it up, make it a little bit nice. So what I did was I was able to find this replacement piece here off of Amazon. It's about $40 or $50. And I say replacement. What it actually is a cover that will just slide over the top of this here. Let's see. And have it looking fresh again. So I'm going to change that out real quick. I will let y'all know the steps. First step is I have an alcohol wipe. You want to wipe it as good as you can, because it's going to adhere to this here, and we want it to stick. So once we get that cleaned up, what we're going to do is let it dry for a minute. While it's drying, you can see this comes with this adhesive here. So this is a kind of a tedious process. We're going to have to peel all of this off so that we can stick it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that while this is drying. All right, I was able to work the tape off of these adhesive strips on the back here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to flip it around, and we are going to slide it on top. Once we got it in a good position, feels like it looks nice, we're just going to push down on the adhesive. And it slides right on over. It looks great. All right, so as simple as that. Only took a couple of minutes, and this looks significantly better. Hope this video was helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description of where you can buy this piece. And do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.